Hi my dears, today is unboxing day. I just received knits and some other things from my suppliers, and I had a lot of questions about the knits, the threads I use for leather and for fabrics. So now I will show you. But first, girls, don't forget to subscribe, because I really have a lot of projects for you and I hope you will like them. Press the likes, leave comments, share, and I hope we will be very happy and we will have fun together. So now let's get started. Thank you so much. They sent me a calendar for the new year. My supplier, yeah. This is about the knits and the invoices here. Oh, also some other materials they offer. Really, I needed this one for some projects. That's a very good surprise for me. Really, I love this surprise. I will call them to make them happy. Also, haha, it's a sample for a zipper. I buy also zippers from them. Very nice. This is the invoice, and take a look. I will start with the knits I use for my overlock machine. I order them by number. This is the number of the color. I have their catalog, and these are bobbins for overlocks, professional, but I'm sure you can find them in some shops for fabrics, for needles, for yarns, and they are 5,000 meters one bobbin. I needed black, so they are here, 4 for my overlock and 2 just in case. The others are in white, also 5,000 meters, normal polyester knits. And for the leather, these are special these are special knits. I don't know the numbers. If you use this kind of knits, they are also 100% of polyester, and this is the number. It's 43. That means normal knits for leather, and they are very strong, and really you have to have a special machine for leather to use these knits. Otherwise, if you use artificial leather or faux leather, you can use these threads and a normal sewing machine. For me, if I work with leather, it has to be perfect with the threads and of course with the colors. Take a look. I ordered these colors. It's kind of gray green, some kind of ash blue, and this one is in turquoise because I have leathers in these colors. And sometimes I go crazy about the colors because I want exactly the same nuance. I don't know about you, but I think it's okay if you can find them. And I told you I have the catalog for this company, and they have everything I need. Also, the length of these threads is 3000 meters. I use a lot of knits. I can show you a part of my stashes. Let me make a little bit place here. Take a look. It's only a part of it. I have a lot of colors because also these are threads for fabrics, and you never know which color you will use, so I prefer to have a lot. And I told you the nuances are very important for me, and I will show you something else. I use big cones like this also for my hobby machine, because the small pieces like this, they are not enough for me, and I prefer the big one. But also I have some colors like this: neon green, neon orange, for example. And when I need some bright, very bright color for some details, I use them, and I will show you how. For example, take a look. I made this hat. It's a bucket hat, and because the flowers are very bright, I choose to make my logo with this bright color. It's the same color as here, the color of the flower. And also the other one, I made the flower with this neon green color, so my logo is made with this color. I could make it with something else, but if I have something more extravagant, why not? So I use also small pieces like this, and they are normal polyester threads. Now I have something I ordered for the first time, and I will show you. Let me open it from where. Let's make it from here. It's packed so well. I wonder from where to open it. Okay, I will make it like this. These are metal chains for future bags. I wanted to order them from a long time, but couldn't find the size I need, because these are not the chains you can find, for example, here in my country, in Bulgaria, in the shops where you can buy paints, for some materials to make some small repairing at home. I forgot the name of these kind of shops. You can find their machines, metal parts. You get the idea. And the chain I found, it's fine but strong. Take a look. Like this. and it's shining. Very nice silver gray color. I can use them for leather straps or for some details on my big leather bags. So I'm very happy with this one. Let's see the other one. Also in silver. It's a little bit smaller and the shape is a little bit different, like this, but it's also very nice. This one is more flat and I think a little bit darker, but maybe because of the light I see it like this. Anyway, it's very nice. They look so luxury, very elegant. And also the same chain, I ordered it in black. I had no idea about how black it will be, but it's a very nice chain. Take a look. And it's shining, elegant. I really happy. I love them. And for the future bags, it will be very nice because, believe me, I'm planning to make some Gothic style small or bigger bags. I hope you will love them. And that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. The new projects are coming, you see. Have a wonderful day. Be happy. Bye. Till the next time.